All right, guys, welcome back to the Price Chopper Market 32 Kids Cooking Club, where we're getting ready for Memorial Day. Memorial Day is really a day of remembrance, but it's also the unofficial kickoff to picnic season. My friend Lucy and I came up with a few creative ideas to bring fruits and veggies to the table. Here's what we made. First, we created salad stuffed cars. We started by placing romaine salad mix in a mini food chopper along with craisins, sunflower seeds, and an avocado ranch dressing. We chopped it up, then we cut off the top of a Cubanelle pepper and hollowed it. We stuffed it with the chopped salad. We laid the peppers on their side, added sliced cucumbers as wheels with veggie cream cheese serving as the edible food glue to hold them in place. And then, just for fun, we put a little veggie cream cheese on top and added candy eyes. These salad stuffed cars can be picked up and eaten. We brought some simple fruit skewers to the picnic table by cutting sliced watermelon into star-studded shapes using a large star fondant cutter, and then added them to a wooden skewer with blueberries, creating a festive pattern. Then we had fun making sandwich kebabs by creating another pattern out of cut bagel pieces, folded slices of turkey meat, small pieces of lettuce, cubes of Colby Jack cheese, cucumber slices, and grape tomatoes. And finally, we finished with dessert. First, we sliced the end of washed strawberries to remove the greens and create a flat surface. We cut into the strawberries on all four sides at a slant to hollow them out. We mixed cream cheese, confectioner's sugar, and vanilla extract together. Placed the cream cheese mixture in a snap and seal quart-sized bag, clipped the corner and piped it into the strawberries, and finished them off by topping them with a blueberry to create cheesecake flavored stuffed strawberries for our festively delicious celebration. All right, guys, thanks for joining us at the Price Chopper Market 32 Kids Cooking Club. Stay tuned all summer long. We have more great recipes and ideas coming your way soon.